Hi, welcome back to your 10 minutes of me time. We are going to have a short but effective practice, all mostly seated. And if you have a blanket or a pillow that you can sit up on, feel free to grab that. But if you don't, no worries. And go ahead and just come sit up on your pillow or blanket or straight on the floor. Legs will start crossed. And bring your hands to just rest on your thighs and sit tall and close your eyes. Take a moment to reconnect here with your breathing. You've been breathing all day long, but you likely haven't been paying attention to it, which is normal. But just tap back in to the feeling of your breath. The air flowing in and out through your nose. And let that feeling of your breath help to ground you in this present time. Putting everything else from the day, just let it move into the background and give yourself permission to be present for yourself here for these 10 minutes. You can keep your eyes closed or allow them to softly open. We're going to begin with the seated cat and cow. So as you inhale, allow your pelvis to rock forward. Lift your chest, look up. Exhale, curl round through your spine, chin to chest. Keep going. Inhale, rock forward, lift the chest, gaze up. Exhale, curl and round. One more time, inhale. Exhale as you round. And now start circles. Just circle your torso around. This can be big or small. You could let your head be kind of relaxed and just hang, or it can stay kind of still as you circle. And reverse directions, it's kind of fun. Circling around. And then come back to the center, find the middle again. And then as you're ready, inhale, sweep your arms out and up. Exhale to side bend to your right. I'm mirroring you. Right hand goes down, stretch over. And then we're going to add some shoulder circles here. So let's take this top arm, sweep it back behind us, down and around. Inhale up, exhale out and down. Keep going. And reverse. It's normal to maybe hear some Rice Krispies in the shoulder, but we don't want to feel anything sharp or pinpoint. So of course, if you feel any of that, back out. Always listen to your body. Stretch, take one more breath, and then come all the way up. Let's go to the other side. Left hand comes down, stretch over. Keep the opposite hip here, anchored down. And then start those shoulder circles. Sweep that arm back, down and around. 2, 3, and reverse. Go the other way. Last one. Notice how the shoulders feel. Stretch over one more time and then come back up. And twist to your right. Right hand goes behind you. Pausing here. Stay twisted now, but turn your head, look the other direction. Now as you inhale, take that arm that's behind you, lift it up to the ceiling. And as you exhale, lean to your side, kind of leaning toward that left leg. Breathe in. And as you breathe out, that top hand, the one that's in the air, is going to cross around to your knee. Center your torso, chin to chest, round your back. Breathe right here. Now keep your arms crossed like this, but lift your hands and give yourself a really big hug. Give yourself a pat on the back for showing up for yourself for these 10 minutes. Relax your shoulders down, lengthen your neck. Lift your bottom arm up into your top arm. Either stay like this, or we lift our hands, finding a clasp called eagle arms. Elbows are drawing up, shoulders are drawing down, so your neck is nice and long, and just breathe right here. Big concentrated breath. One more. Good, now from here, release that clasp if you have it. Stretch your arms out, have your wrists crossed, and now flip your palms, interlace your fingers, breathe in. And as you breathe out, reach your knuckles forward around your spine, chin to chest. Big deep breath. And then inhale to lift your arms up. As you exhale, try to backstroke your arms back, reach, find the floor, lift your chest. Maybe rock a little side to side. You can even rock here, plant your hands and move your hands into different positions. I'm going to turn to the side so you can see a little bit more of what I'm doing. I'm just shifting side to side. And then find a good position for your hands where they feel comfortable-ish. Uncross your legs and have your feet flat on the floor. And then take a second to just sink into your shoulders and round your back. And then roll the shoulders back, push the floor away and lift your chest. And do that again. Sink and push away. One more, sink, push away, and this time either just stay like this or see what it's like to try to lift your hips up and down. Two more. Squeeze your glutes, lift the hips, a little work in the legs, a big stretch, and some work in the arms with our arms behind us, which we don't do very often. Let's do one more. And down. Very good. Now cross your legs again, but have the opposite leg in front, if you can remember. I'm going to turn back to face you. And then we're going to inhale the arms out and up, this time twisting to our left hand behind you. Breathe here. Stay twisted, but look the other way. Inhale, that back arm reaching up, and as you exhale, lean to your side. Take a nice full deep breath right there. And then that hand that's in the air is going to cross to that knee, chin to chest, and round your back. And then lift your hands, give yourself a big old hug and squeeze. Pound the back, you made it to yoga. Lift the top, bottom elbow up to the top elbow. Shoulders draw down. You can stay just like this if you feel a good stretch. If you want more, you come into eagle arms. Binding the hands, elbows up, shoulders stay down. And then just close your eyes and breathe right here. Direct your breath right into that space between your shoulder blades. And then release the cross of your hands, reach your arms forward, flip the palms, interlace the fingers, breathe in. As you breathe out, reach your knuckles forward, round out your back. Breathe here. Inhale as you lift the arms. Exhale, backstroke your arms, reach your hands back, lift your chest up. And again, just start to rock side to side. I'm once again going to turn. I'm going to move this blanket out from underneath me, but you can keep yours if it's there. And just start to move your hands in different positions. Seeing what that feels like in your wrist, your shoulders, and then find a good place for your hands. Turn them whatever direction feels most comfortable for you, and then uncross the legs. Take a second to just slouch and sink into the shoulders and around your spine, and then roll the shoulders back. Imagine your hands are pushing away from one another as you lift your chest, and then drop down again. And then push away. Add this time if you'd like, lifting your hips up any amount. You're working toward eventually, maybe one day, hips in line with your knees. But right now, maybe you just lift as high as you can, okay? Lifting up, push. Notice what you feel here. If you feel more of a stretch in the arms, it just means the shoulders are a little tighter. Or you might feel more of the work happening through the glutes and the legs. Let's do one more. And down. This time, let's stretch our legs out straight in front of us, sit tall. Take a moment here to find good posture. Pulling the toes back toward you. And then let's cross our legs again. I'm going to turn to face you again. Bring your hands to heart center and take a moment just to have gratitude for your body, this time that we've had here. Thank yourself for showing up for yourself and taking care of yourself so that you're better able to care and be present for others and people you love. Thank you so much for joining me today. Make sure you like and subscribe to this channel for more. See you next time, friends. Namaste.